Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Interior of a modern, spacious living area featuring an open-plan layout with a second-story sleeping loft, designed in a minimalist style with earthy tones and natural materials. Light pours in through large floor-to-ceiling windows, showcasing lush greenery outside. The furniture includes oversized, beige lounge cushions and a cozy woven rug, accentuated by a warm orange throw on the bed above. Decorative elements such as potted plants and a few contemporary art pieces blend seamlessly with the tranquil atmosphere, creating a harmonious connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, emphasizing a serene, tropical aesthetic. A serene indoor garden oasis featuring a beautifully landscaped space with lush greenery and textured elements. The scene is hyperrealistic, showcasing a blend of modern architecture and nature. A curved staircase ascends to a softly lit area, surrounded by various tropical plants, including ferns and large leafy specimens, creating a vibrant atmosphere. The ground is adorned with smooth pebbles and larger stones, enhancing the natural aesthetic. A tranquil water feature sits at the center, reflecting the surrounding vegetation. The color palette is rich with deep greens, earthy browns, and subtle hints of purple from blooming flowers, providing a harmonious balance between modern design and organic beauty. A cozy, modern living room featuring a sleek indoor garden illuminated by a soft, warm light, showcasing a variety of vibrant greens and colorful herbs. The scene is depicted in a hyper-realistic style, capturing intricate details of the plants and the gentle glow from the garden lights. The room is designed with large windows revealing a twilight setting outside, casting subtle reflections on the glass. Rich wooden floors enhance the warmth of the space, complemented by a plush, off-white sofa adorned with dark cushions. A stylish coffee table made from glass and metal sits nearby, accompanied by minimalistic decor. Cozy indoor jungle living room, hyper-realistic, featuring a vintage striped sofa with colorful floral cushions, surrounded by lush greenery and various indoor plants, soft ambient lighting from woven pendant lamps enhancing the warm atmosphere, large windows allowing natural light to filter through, wooden and metal accents in the decor, a round, patterned ottoman at the center. Rich earth tones complemented by vibrant greens, intricate wall textures with a rustic feel, eclectic artwork, creating a serene and inviting retreat. A bright, sunlit interior space featuring a line of sleek, modern planters with a dynamic twist design, arranged closely together against a backdrop of large windows. The planters, painted in vibrant hues of orange, yellow, teal, and gray, contrast beautifully with the lush greenery of various indoor plants, including tropical foliage and striking floral displays. Soft shadows cast on a polished marble floor enhance the tranquil atmosphere. The scene exudes a fresh, contemporary aesthetic with a touch of hyperrealism, evoking a serene connection to nature indoors. A bright and inviting modern living room interior, featuring a cozy, light gray fabric sofa adorned with textured throw pillows. A minimalist circular coffee table occupies the center, holding a potted succulent and a neatly placed book. Surrounding the space are various lush green plants, including hanging vines and leafy potted flora, creating a vibrant, fresh atmosphere. The walls are adorned with abstract black and white artwork, enhancing the contemporary aesthetic. Soft, natural light streams in through large windows, casting gentle shadows, and highlighting the warm wooden flooring and sleek white cabinetry in the background. A tranquil indoor space featuring an array of lush green plants arranged within rustic wooden planters. The scene captures a warm, inviting atmosphere with a combination of natural light streaming through large windows, illuminating the vibrant leaves. The wooden flooring, rich in texture and tones, complements the earthy aesthetic. The design incorporates a mix of ferns and other verdant foliage, offering a sense of harmony and connection to nature. The overall aesthetic leans towards modern minimalism, enhancing the feeling of calmness and serenity, with an emphasis on natural materials and organic shapes. Aesthetic indoor plant display on sleek glass shelves, featuring a variety of succulent and air plant species in ornamental pots. The scene has a hyperrealistic style, showcasing vibrant green leaves with hints of pink and other colorful hues. Soft, natural light accentuates the textures of the plants and the glossy surfaces of the pots. The background features a blurred, modern interior with hints of orange and green, adding warmth and depth to the cozy atmosphere. Focus on the intricate details of the foliage, the contrast between the vibrant plants and the minimalist glass shelves. A modern urban apartment interior featuring a sleek vertical indoor garden as the focal point, showcasing a blend of lush greenery with hydroponic elements. The setting is illuminated by soft, ambient lighting that highlights the fresh herbs and leafy vegetables arranged in a tiered configuration. The background includes a minimalist kitchen with dark wooden cabinetry, complementing the warm tones of the polished wooden floor. Large floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light, revealing a city skyline view with soft, muted colors of concrete and glass. Shades of green dominate the scene, contrasting with the contemporary black and white decor. A serene, modern Japanese-inspired indoor space featuring a tranquil water feature with smooth stones. The scene has a hyper-realistic aesthetic, emphasizing clean lines and minimalistic design. The color palette includes soft earth tones, warm browns from the wooden floors and walls, deep greens from various plants, and subtle grays from the stone accents. Tropical plants like bamboo and ferns are strategically placed, adding a natural vibrancy. Sunlight filters through large windows, casting gentle shadows and highlighting the interplay between indoor and outdoor elements. The room is furnished with a simple, low-profile seating area, enhancing the atmosphere of calm and relaxation. A tranquil indoor office space that blends nature with design, featuring a central round wooden table surrounded by two black office chairs. The room is enveloped by lush greenery, including large potted plants and hanging ferns, creating a relaxing atmosphere. The walls are painted in a warm orange hue, contrasted by a neutral green backdrop. Natural light filters in through large windows, enhancing the space's vibrant colors. On the walls, framed nature photographs add an artistic touch. The floor is made of rustic stone tiles, contributing to the earthy aesthetic. Spacious sunlit living room featuring a modern brown leather sectional sofa adorned with white and black cushions. Abundant greenery fills the room with large tropical plants, creating a fresh and vibrant atmosphere. A round coffee table sits on a colorful, patterned rug that adds warmth to the concrete floor. The space is framed by floor-to-ceiling glass windows, allowing natural light to flood in and illuminate the room. The aesthetic is contemporary and inviting, emphasizing a harmony between indoor comfort and outdoor vitality. The color palette includes warm earth tones, rich greens, and soft neutrals, evoking a serene, tranquil ambience. A bright and airy indoor garden living room, featuring large tropical plants cascading down the walls, lush greenery enveloping the space. The room is designed in a modern aesthetic with a touch of bohemian flair. The focal point is a large, cream-colored sectional sofa adorned with plush, white throw pillows, situated atop a beautifully intricate Persian rug featuring warm earthy tones. A low wooden coffee table with a glass top showcases a few decorative items. The sunlight pours in through a large skylight, casting intricate shadows on the marble floor. In the background, a dining area with rustic wooden chairs and a large, elegant painting complements the cozy atmosphere. A vibrant arrangement of various succulent plants displayed on a rustic wooden planter, set against a softly blurred green background. The image features an array of succulents in different shapes and sizes, showcasing shades of green, lavender, and hints of pink. The plants exhibit intricate textures and details, with some having smooth leaves while others spiral elegantly. Focus on the gentle play of natural light highlighting the leaves, creating a fresh and serene atmosphere. The overall aesthetic is hyperrealistic, capturing the delicate beauty of these plants with vivid colors and intricate details, making them appear almost lifelike. A spacious modern penthouse living room filled with natural light streaming through large glass walls and a ceiling, showcasing a breathtaking city skyline in the background. The aesthetic is hyper-realistic, emphasizing the sleek lines and elegant design of the interior. Lush green plants and vibrant orchids add a touch of nature, creating a serene atmosphere. The furniture includes cream-colored, plush sofas arranged around a central glass coffee table adorned with colorful flowers. A sunlit indoor space filled with various potted plants arranged neatly in front of large windows. The scene has a cozy, inviting atmosphere, embracing an impressionistic style. The color palette features warm earth tones with a mix of greens from the vibrant foliage. The pots are a combination of geometric shapes in neutral hues, like soft whites and terracotta, which contrast beautifully against the rich textures of the wooden floor.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.